Hello, hello, everyone. We are going to do a quick little how-to on Cruise Complete. So let me go ahead and share my screen. This is going to be when you have a client that says they are interested in a certain destination and you're not sure maybe what cruise line goes there. Maybe you're looking at a specific time of year and what kind, right? This is a great search tool. Now, we aren't going to book our cruises in Agent Universe. We're not going to book them through Cruise Complete, but it is strictly a search tool for us. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So we're going to go ahead and log into Agent Universe. And then over on the right-hand side, you're going to see where it says Cruise Complete. Now, if you're not already registered, I will try to add how to register for them uh, in the recording. So we're going to go over here to where it says Cruise. And then we are going to just do some quick searching. So for instance, let's say your client wants to take a New England cruise, right? They're not really particular on start date, end date. Maybe they don't really care how long the cruise is, but the biggest thing they want to do is they want to go see, they want to do a New England cruise. So you guys can put in here destinations. You guys can search, like if you want to do Quebec, if you guys want to do Nova Scotia, right? You guys can type in New England. You can do Canada, right? Use whatever search tools you want. So sometimes I have to play around to actually pull up the one that I want. So this one right here, Canada, New England. You could also just do Canada, and then we're going to go ahead and move on. They don't really care where the embarkation port, like they don't care about anything else other than the fact that they really want to go, in this example, they just really want to go to New England. And then we're going to go ahead and click search. And then it's going to go ahead and it's going to pull up all of the different cruise lines that do up here. There is a date range. It put a date range in because I didn't put one in there, but you could update that. Let's say they wanted to go next year. They're looking at, um, you know, they're looking at 2026. And then again, it's going to pull up. So now you have even more because obviously that last one was like a couple months away from now. So now it's going to show you like Royal Caribbean goes to Canada, New England. It shows which ships on Royal Caribbean that it has. You guys can also see that Celebrity goes there, Holland America goes there. That last search showed us that Viking goes there. So you guys can come through here. You guys can get an idea. Norwegian goes there. And then let's say that they gave you somewhat of a price range, right? They said, we want to go, we don't want to spend more than $5,000 per person. They don't want to spend more than $3,000 per person, right? And so now you guys can kind of get an estimate, right? I never quote from here, but you guys can get kind of an estimate. And you're like, man, like my client could go on a 14-day with Holland America. Their budget is, between 3 and 5,000. So maybe they could do this one, right? And you guys can come through here. Maybe they're like, nah, like we want to do an 11-day, like maybe they want whatnot. Now, if you know specifically that your client is not a Holland America person, then obviously you wouldn't go with that one. But this is a really great search tool for you guys to come in here and find which cruise lines do those types of itineraries. I hope that helps, and I'll see you on the next how-to.